Hey everybody, I've built a new tool for working in Excel on my Mac that will help me get higher resolution images out of Excel. And this has always been a challenge, so let me show you what I've built. Okay, so here's my Excel file, nothing fancy. I'm going to use my Excel styles add-in that I've built that will allow me to create branded charts and graphs immediately. I'm just using some dummy colors here. So I just click this button and I get this chart. Now, in the past, what we've had to do to get a high res image or graph out of Excel would be to copy. So Command C, open the preview tool, click Command N and get the graph. And then you can save, and then you have to name it, and then you have to change it to PNG, and you have to change the resolution, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So there's like a bunch of steps. So what I've done is try to automate that process by creating a little tool called Export Chart that sits right on my desktop. So this is how it works. You create your graph, select it, once again, Command C. You go over here, double click, and it says, okay, name your file, just name it chart. Pick your resolution. I've already had it preset for 300, which is sufficient for most use cases. I click OK. It runs, tells me that it's saved, and I have a high-res chart sitting right over here. As you can see, it is beautiful and high resolution. It also works if you want to have multiple charts. So I'm going to close all this out, go back to my Excel file. Let's say I want to have, this and a pie chart. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to align these here. I'm using my QAT up at the top here to make sure these are aligned. I'm going to select both charts, Command C to copy. And now I go back to Export Chart, bring it up, chart. I'll call this 2. OK. Tells me it's 300. OK. Click. Your chart is saved. And now I have 2 charts side by side. Lovely. So this is just automating this entire process. And the other thing I'll just mention here, because I have it open, is this Excel add-in that I've built that I use for my own purposes. I can create a bunch of charts here. I'll just make some dummy stuff here. But let's say I have, I'll just make one more, just make it real fast here. So I've got 4 charts on this sheet. If I want to make this into small multiples, so I want to have them arranged really nicely, I just click small multiples button here. It says, okay, so how do you want this arranged? 4, 6 charts, 2 by 2. That's what I want. So I'm gonna click OK, and it's going to arrange these charts for me right here in that 2 by 2 grid. And if I want that 2 by 2 grid set up in my little tool, I'm going to hit Command C, Export Chart, small multiples, OK, OK. And now I've got a high resolution small multiples chart that comes right out of Excel into a PNG file. So I've created this little tool. If you'd like to get your hands on it, it is going to be available on my website, policybuzz.com, where you can download it. It comes out as a DMG file, so you can install it. If you are worried about grabbing something and installing it from the internet, which I totally understand, I've also separately linked to the README file, which has instructions on how to actually build the tool for yourself, because it's not a lot of fancy stuff going on here. It's just doing that manual process of copying, open preview, pasting, naming, changing the resolution, and saving. It's just doing all that under the hood. So if you'd rather not install a file that you get from me, totally understand. You can download the README file and just build it yourself. But I'm just trying to make my process of coming from Excel to a high-res standalone image that much easier and that much faster. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe. Check out lots of the other playlists on this channel, including the PolicyViz podcast.